The leader of United Democratic Party, UDP leader Jemino is in sync with Meghalaya government's idea to have a ropeway around in order to boost tourism in the state. Speaking to the media, Dr. Mathur said, the introduction of ropeway will attract the visits of large number of tourists in the state. He said having ropeways in the state is ideal as the state is blessed with natural scenic beauty. Dr. Mathur also said that the advent of ropeway in the state will drastically improve the economy of the people in the state.
We have a very vast potential here. But you know the difficulty as far as transportation is concerned, as far as communication is concerned. So one of the ways, to attract people from outside also, if we have these ropeways in some parts of the state of Meghalaya, I think it will be very attractive for people coming from outside, and I think it will go a long way, to boost this tourism industry also in the state of Meghalaya. And I still remember, I was still very young at that time, when our legislators like Stanley Nicholas Roy and some other legislators, they had gone outside once upon a time, I'm talking about decades altogether, and they were throwing this idea of having these ropeways in different parts of the state of Meghalaya. So right from that time till today, it has not really materialized, although you see in some ways, in a very rudimentary form, these ropeways are there, in the rural areas where the transportation of goods are there, but in a very rudimentary form. But if we have it in now with proper technology and all that, I think it will be very good.